Good morning, Joe Walker here at Glen Echo. It's October 16th, a little frosty morning. Here at the practice green, the guys here before first light tore out this walk-on, walk-off area here at the practice green. It's been in pretty rough shape, and we need to definitely do some major renovation here. So our intentions is to till this soil all up, till this area up, till it very deep, and then incorporate a bunch of compost, little black gold from our supplier. And then we have to put irrigation. We have irrigation, but it's pretty much just the big heads for our green, and so we're going to put some pop-up yard style irrigation in here to where we can irrigate it properly, have the water go where it needs to, and on a regular basis. And then we'll resod it with fescue, pretty much keep it closed the rest of the season. And then for next season should be in much better shape. Then we'll have to come in and continuously aerify it, keep it top dressed with some compost, and do a better job at managing this area, which is pretty difficult with a small area, high temperature from the asphalt, concentration of walking. So we've got some mats here for you to walk on. So over the next few weeks, it's going to take us a couple weeks probably to get this completely done. But anyway, got that going on here at the practice green. Have a great day.